Hello, my name is Pradeep Gandhe. I'm an ex-international badminton player, and I am the recipient of Dhanchan Award for Lifetime Achievement in Badminton for the year 2020. Uh, I'm told that the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is organizing a Fit India week beginning from 22nd November. And first of all, I would like to congratulate them for this novel concept, as they are really thinking very positively that the children is the grassroots level of our future good health and performances in sports. Uh, Kerala has always been in the forefront for various good activities, sporting activities. Kerala has produced a lot of great sports persons in various disciplines and who brought laurels to the country. The concept, I believe, is Fit India, and then Fit India relates with playing some games, doing exercises, and that includes all sort of physical exercises. And this should be, I hope that my little talk on this will definitely inspire the youngsters, the that is the school children, and of course they can be guided, and the things can be done none other than the teachers and the parents. If they do this, the results in the coming years will definitely we can be proud of. There could be a couple of points which are very, very important to know, that when we think about physical fitness, then it is not only related with the performances in sports, but also it is related with overall our life in this world. Physical fitness helps students to concentrate and maintain focus. This is a very positive impact in their academic life. And the second one, which I always feel, that the regular exercise is quite vital, very, very important for fight against child obesity. So these areas, of course, the parents have a major role, uh, and then of course the next comes teachers, and then come the performer, that is school children. With good exercise habits, the children, school children, the children, younger population, they will definitely get a better quality of sleep, and this helps in them being more alert, and will help in having better concentration in whatever activities they do. Physical exercise also helps children relieve stress and anxiety, because in any sport or any activity you do, you need to know what you are doing, you need to focus on what you are doing. So this takes away all the stress or anxiety, if any, and that makes them feel much better. And that is how the importance of physical exercise is there. I am mixing up physical exercises, sports activities, all sail in the same boat. There has to be an exercise to the body, and the another important aspect for better personality building, that the sports helps improve their teamwork, and they also inculcate leadership skills. Physical activity also promotes positive body image in teenagers, especially this is especially with specific reference to the women and girls. Sports teaches to have an improved self-discipline, because it teaches you to take the defeat in your stride and not to get carried away in victories. And with a lot of physical exercises, the overall body remains in shape, and that helps in self discipline, and in the long run it helps in having better control on emotions, and it is a good guiding force for self motivation in studies. If child or if the school children adopt to doing regular physical exercises, then that helps develop their confidence. That can be very clearly seen by way of these students. They make the friends quickly. They are clear about better thinking on their future goals, etc. Uh, Physical exercise, playing some sports, help children develop their motor skills. And this is a study which was carried out in England, which says that they have found they strengthen their muscles. It can help them playing musical instruments and more adept in handwriting. And lastly, where I feel that overall that physical exercise, regular exercise, that helps in improved behavior in school, and that we can, I mean, it's a combination of the earlier points mentioned, and that is the ultimate, is an output what one can expect and get, that they have one improved behavior in the school. I congratulate once again the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan for taking up this novel idea, and I hope that this word, such type of activities spread all over the country. And once we have a Fit India on a regular basis, we will have a better grassroots population, and then such type of grassroots population, we will have more and more sports persons, more and more intellectuals, and and more successful people in the lives. So thank you very much from Pradeep Gandhe to you all, and I wish Fit India this week a great grand success. Thank you very much.